We're here today to talk about Redline Plus packing configurations. There are a lot of different fluid ends out there. It's important you have the right hard stack for your fluid end. When checking your packing stack configurations, it's important to not only line up the stack height, but also the junk ring widths, lantern ring widths, and loophole locations, as there are a lot of different options out there. The wiper seal is also critical. Some are located inside of the lantern ring, and some are located inside of the packing nut. If your stack looks different, make sure you have the right part number. Inside the wrap for every packing stack, you'll find additional part numbers for hard sets and soft sets, along with installation instructions. Let's talk about the components of your Redline Plus packing stack. You've got your tapered junk ring, which is a wear surface, protects your fluid end, and aligns your packing stack to the bore, followed by your header ring, which is your primary sand excluder and energizer for the stack. Then your two pressure rings, which do the bulk of the high pressure sealing. And lastly, your lantern ring, which is a bearing for the plunger and houses your lube circuit. May or may not have a wiper seal in there, which seals your lube circuit against the plunger. If you've got any questions about Redline Plus packing, contact your local sales representative or just give us a call.